everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to do my plan with me and my personal planner. We are going to be planning the week of April 16th through 22nd. So I'm just going to take these pages out if I can. I think I'll just leave this open and put it right up here. Okay, and I had this out because I thought this was really cute. I might try to make that sometime. Isn't that cute? So we'll see about that. But I knew there was something in there that I liked. I got that from Hobby Lobby. And we are going to be using this cute little kit from Adorably Amy Designs. It's called Spring Has Sprung, and it's the Teenies Weekly Kit. And hopefully that is true, that spring has sprung. I'm still not quite convinced. It is kind of a rainy April showers kind of a day today. Today's Saturday. It's nice right now though. It's been kind of rainy off and on, and it was pouring last night. And today's Saturday, so it's the 14th, and I'm a little bit behind, I guess. And I haven't used Adorably Amy sticker set for a while, and this is usually the one that I was loving the most, and I like them all, but I really do love Adorably Amy stickers. These teeny kits in this particular planner. This planner is a jpapery.com planner, and I just really, it works for me. I've used it. I think this is my second year, and I really like it. Now this planner is just for my Stampin' Up! Business and YouTube, so that's the only things that I really keep track of in here. And I have a main planner that I also do a plan with me on, and that one I plan everything else. So I don't usually use like all of these functional stickers in this planner because I just don't plan that way in here. But I do like to write weekly goals, and her kit has a weekly goals set, so I put that up here in this note section. And then I put these, and I just go every other, and I put them over here to highlight special things that I might need to do, or I just leave them as kind of decorative. I don't always put something. These are really cute. And then what I like to do is put a to-do or a today on each one, depending on, so I have 4 pinks and 3 yellows, so I'm going to start with a yellow. So I'll have a yellow with a pink underneath it. Does that make sense? I hope it does. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to do 4 yellows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick those on every other one. Oh gosh, I put those on the wrong side. I do that often. More often than I'd like to admit. And this isn't plum paper planner where everything is really easy to peel off, so you have to kind of be careful, but you'd think I'd be used to it by now because I do that. These all come off. So far, those have come off pretty easily. That first one was a little bit of a grump, but the rest have been all right. So it's Saturday and it's dinner time, and my son is hungry, and he came downstairs and said, what are the plans for dinner? And I've been cooking a lot lately, so I usually have something prepared or something planned. And today I really just don't. I made lunch, and there's still lunch left over, and I said, I don't really know. I don't really have a plan. His girlfriend is over, and there's pizza in the refrigerator left over from yesterday. There is Parmesan garlic chicken in the refrigerator left over from lunch. There's homemade bread. There is, I went to the grocery store this morning, so there's lunch meat, there's bread, there's, you know, there's Lunchables, there's lots of stuff. So I said, I don't know, I think it's just going to be a fend for yourself tonight. And then he was like, oh, well then could we order pizza? I'm like, there's pizza in there, honey. I mean, it's not the kind that he particularly cares for, but I can't justify spending more money on pizza when I've just purchased groceries and all of that. So I told him just to eat what we had. So I think that they grabbed some pizza. I hear it in the I hear the microwave going anyway. So yeah. It is, I know it's weird though when, you know, when he's used to coming down to something or having something or me saying, hey, this is what we're having tonight. But, you know, he's 18. He can deal with it. Even if he was 8 months, he could deal with it. You know what I'm saying. I'm not being mean to him. It's just, yeah, I'm just going to stop talking because I feel like I'm running myself into a corner. But you guys get what I'm saying, I am sure. I try to line these. I don't know if you can see the lines, but there are lines. These are lined papers. This side is, and I try to line the sticker up with the paper, and sometimes it's not as easy as I would like it to be. Because when these are all crooked, it's kind of crazy looking. And this side's easier because I can line it up with the washi. And I also put my weekend sticker down, as you saw. And then I'm going to put a Hello Spring sticker. Well, I'll put it there, I guess. I don't know. I don't really want the notes to be there, so I'm going to cover up the notes with one of these. And then I'll put Hello Spring right like that. And planning day, I'm going to put that down here where I messed up. And then I think I'm going to find some places for these cute little stickers. I love this yellow, and I like the yellow and the pink together. It's so pretty. You don't normally see yellow like this bright in a planner, so I am liking it. Good job, Amy. Now this kit is probably one of my older kits, so I don't know if she still sells this or not, but her store is on Etsy. And I like to stock up, as you guys know. I'm going to put a payday sticker on Friday because that is usually the day that Stampin' Up! Gives us our like incentive or whatever. And I think that's all I'm going to use from this kit, and then I'll save the rest for one of my friends. Oh, I'm getting a stash. Need to clean that out. Okay, so now let's write in here. And I'm going to put things that I need to do this week. There are comments. I need to do my collab project. I don't want to tell you what that is because, oh, I can, because you guys know now. Okay, it's rain. So I need to do a rain project. That's right. I need to do a one sheet wonder that I can post, and I need to look through the new Stampin' Up! Catalog. I don't know if you guys want me to do a retirement video. I might do that. because with the new catalog coming out, the old stuff retires, and I'm just haven't been as into it as I should or could be, or maybe I should say could or should be. I'm not sure how much I want to be into it right now, but I mean, I love it, and I'm excited right now because I know some of the new stuff that's coming out, and it's very, very, very nice. So I am kind of excited about it. I just worry that if I go all in, if I'm going to stay all in, and I need to figure that out. And I need to film a live video. I need to do card series, and I need to do some tips videos. I know I didn't get one posted this week, and I don't have one for next week yet either, unless I get one done. And I need to do my rain project, and I need to do a one sheet wonder. I don't know which day. I might put that over here. That might be about it. I mean, that's a lot, so I think that will do it. And then I get paid next week, and next week I want to do some yarn stuff, so some storage and all that, but I won't write that down here yet. Okay, so I know this is kind of a short video, but that's all there is to it. So thanks so much, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and happy planning. Bye-bye.